Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Dr. Vikas Singh Bhadoria. I am working as Associate Professor in Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. This college is affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. In today's video, I will discuss about the AC and DC filters in HVDC system. Before this video, I have already discussed about the harmonics and HVDC system. This topic of AC and DC filters is related to the subject EHV, AC and DC. This subject is in the final year of Electrical and Electronics Engineering branch of BTech. So let us start our discussion about AC and DC filters. As I have mentioned in the previous video that there are different sources of harmonics which are being introduced in any HVDC system. So the easiest way to remove or to reduce those harmonics, that a filter can be included in the HVDC system, and that filter for the filtering purpose, a passive LC resonant circuit can be used. This circuit offers a low impedance or a zero impedance, so that it will bypass the harmonic voltage. Then this is the basic principle of any filter. This diagram is showing the circuit for that whenever any filter is connected in the circuit of HVDC system. This is the converter wall. Then this IHC is the harmonic current on the converter side. This IHA is the harmonic current on the AC side, and this IHF is the harmonic current on the filter side. So this IHAC, whenever it is moving ahead, this filter will provide low impedance path for the harmonic component current, and that harmonic component current will pass through this filter, and this will be grounded. So it will filter the harmonics at this point, and the filtered output will reach at the AC terminal. So this is the equivalent circuit or a harmonic model in this. This is the ZHF is the harmonic side or harmonic component side impedance, and this is the ZHA is the AC network impedance, and current I have already mentioned. So then in this harmonic model or equivalent circuit, the harmonic current in the filter branch, this the current division rule can be utilized. IHF, this is the IHC total current multiplied by the opposite branch impedance, that is ZHA upon total impedance. Similarly, the harmonic current in AC network, that will be equal to IHC multiplied by ZHF, that this is the opposite branch impedance upon total impedance, and it will be in such a way that this IHC will be equal to IHF plus IHA. So there are two methods by which harmonics can be removed. One is if we can increase the pulse number, then the harmonics can be reduced, and another option is the use of filters. If we are increasing the pulse number, then pulse number can be increased from 6 to 108, but for the higher the number of pulses, more expensive is the transformer. So this limits the restriction towards the use of higher number of pulses. So the another alternate option which is available with us is the use of filters. So the filter network, this responds to very frequently or in an intensive way at some frequency than others, and reduces the amplitude of one or more fixed frequency current or voltage. Means it is activating or it is acting very intensively for a particular frequency or for some frequency, and it will provide a low impedance for that particular frequency for bypassing that harmonic component. They normally consist of one or more LC tuned circuits. They are having high quality factor, and that can comprise of a high pass filter. whenever we are designing AC filter, so there are few parameters on the basis of which the AC filters can be designed. One is the harmonic distortion, that is measured with the D. This D will be equal to summation of H is equal to 2 to M IH ZH upon V1 multiplied by 100, where IH is the harmonic current, ZH is the harmonic impedance, and V1 is the fundamental component of line to neutral voltage, and M is the highest harmonic considered. Another parameter is the telephone influence factor, that is TIF. This TIF will be equal to summation of IH ZH FH square and then under root of whole of this term upon V1, where FH can be given by 5H F1 PH. PH, because it is related to the telephone influence factor, so it means it is related to human ear sensitivity. So this PH is the C message weighing. This reflects the frequency dependent sensitivity of human ear, and it has a maximum value at frequency of 1 kilohertz. Then another term is the telephone harmonic form factor, that is THFF. THFF will be equal to under root of summation 1 to 50 En upon EPH Kn Pn whole square multiplied by 100. Another term is the IT product. This will be equal to IHFH whole square, then summation of this and under root of whole this term. Then the filter configuration. So the types of AC filter, one is single tune filter, another one is double tune filter, and then high pass filter. And high pass filter is having two types, second order filter and C type filter. So types of the single tune filter, it is to filter out the characteristic harmonics of a single frequency, and double tune filter, it is used to filter out the two discrete frequencies. So single tune filter is filtering one frequency and double tune filter is filtering two frequencies. And with the advantage of double tune filter are that one inductor is subjected to full line impulse voltage and the reduced power loss at the fundamental frequency. So it is little bit better as compared to single tune frequency, single tune filter. Then high pass filter is of two types, second order high pass filter. So it is used to filter out the high frequency, and the C type high pass filter, it is used to reduce the power loss at fundamental frequency. In this, capacitor is connected in series with inductor. This will provide the low impedance path to fundamental component of current. And third harmonic filter is used to filter out the non-characteristic harmonics of third order. And in the upcoming this figure is showing the impedance versus frequency characteristic. For single tune filter, it is providing a low impedance path. On y-axis it is showing the impedance. So single tune filter are providing low impedance for a particular frequency. Double tune filter are providing low impedance for two different frequencies, and the second order high pass or high pass C type filter, these are providing low impedance for a band of frequencies. So these are the impedance versus frequency characteristic of different filters, AC filters. Now the DC filters, DC voltage on the converter side contains both characteristic as well as non-characteristic harmonics. So these harmonics results in the current harmonics in the DC line, and the effectiveness of DC filter can be measured by the following in one of the any one of the following. That one is the maximum TIF value on DC high voltage bus. Another one is the maximum included noise voltage INV, in its unit is in millivolts per kilometer, in a parallel test line situated 1 kilometer away from HVDC line. This will be measured at a test line. The test line will be at a 1 kilometer distance from the HVDC line, and at that line in that noise voltage will be checked. Then another is the maximum permissible noise to ground in dB on telephone lines close to HVDC. So this is related to telephonic interference. Then DC filters used maybe single tuned or double tuned. High pass filters are used to filter out the higher order harmonics, and DC filters are designed not only to eliminate DC harmonic voltage. There is no need for filter to supply reactive powers as in case of AC filters. Means the AC filters are having double purpose. They use to filter the harmonics, and another purpose of those filters is to provide reactive power supports, but there is no such work is done with the help of DC filters. They are only for the purpose of filtration. This is the variation of INV with the distance of DC link. There with this A is for the monopolar with the metallic earth return, B is for the bipolar line, and C is for the monopolar earth return. This one is A is for the metallic earth return and C is for only earth return, and x-axis is showing distance and y-axis is showing INV. This is its unit is in millivolt per kilometer. Then the another type of filters which are used, that power line communication and radio interference noise filters. The HVDC converters not only produces the other harmonics, but they also produce high level of electrical noise, and the range of these frequency is around 22 kilohertz to 500 kilohertz. They also generate the radio interference, and the noise which is being generated by the HVDC converters, that is in the range of megahertz frequencies. So for reducing these two, power line communication and radio interference, that PLC and RI filters are used for minimizing these the radio interference and the power line communication interference. So separate filters will be used for this purpose, and this is the configuration of PLC and RI filter, that how these filters are connected. Then another type is active filter. Then these active filters used in DC filterings are of hybrid nature. Hybrid nature means they are active filter in series with a shunt passive filter. And for this purpose, IGBT devices are used in VSC with PWM, and a transformer which is used that provides the galvanic separation between voltage source converter and HVDC line. It also helps in rising voltage to the desired level. And the control strategy of active filter is to inject harmonic voltage for harmonic voltage of appropriate magnitude and phase angle to cancel current flowing in the that harmonic current flowing in the line. Means that after implementing suitable control strategy towards the active filter, we can cancel the harmonic current flowing in the line. So this is the connection methodology of hybrid active filter. Then again, the book which is preferred for preparation purpose of this content is the K.R. Padiyar HVDC Power Transmission System. If you like this video, then like on my channel, comment in the comment box, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel for getting the latest notification of the uploaded video. Thanks for watching.